Good morning, student. I hope you are good and fine. Class 2, subject maths, topic ascending and descending order. Open your book, page number 3. Ascending order. In ascending order, number are arranged from smaller to greater. Descending order. In descending order, numbers are arranged from greater to smaller. Look at the ladder. If you want to go upstairs, you will be start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to come back, you will be start 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. जब आपने असेंडिंग में जाना है तो स्मॉल नंबर से आपने बिग की तरफ जाना है, और जब डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आपने आना है तो फिर आपने बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर की तरफ जाना है. Put these numbers in ascending order. Look at these numbers. Tell me, student, which is the smallest number? Smallest number, tell me. 45, 35, 29, 90, 24. Tell me. 19. 19 is smallest number. Now tell me, students, which is the bigger number from 19? 24. Which is the bigger number from 24? 29. Which is the bigger number from 29? 35. 35. Which is the bigger number from 35? 45. Which is the bigger number from 45? Which is the smallest number from 57? 41. 41. Which is the smallest number from 41? 38. Which is the smallest number from 38? 38. 23. Which is the smallest number from 23? 17. Okay, last one, student, tell me. Which is the smallest number from 17? 6. Activity number 2. Homework page number 3. Question number 4 and 5 in your copies. Thank you, student. I hope you understood ascending and descending order. God bless you.